Okay, so for part 2, we're going to look at how does the amount of cloud cover affect the temperature of locations. Now, what is cloud cover? Cloud cover, the definition means the extent of the sky that is covered by clouds, and this will influence the temperature on the surface of the earth in the day and at night. How do we look at cloud cover itself? Very simple. Right now, if you walk out there or you look out your window and you look up, is the sky clear or do you see some clouds or is it very cloudy? That is what cloud cover is all about. Now, point made over here is temperature is higher when there is absence of clouds in the day. However, temperature is lower when there is absence of clouds at night. Temperature is also lower when there is presence of clouds in the day, and temperature is higher when there is presence of clouds at night. What does this all mean? Let's look at each point specifically. First things first, when you have clouds, and over here on the right side, you will notice the different types of clouds. First thing, sometimes you see the very large rain clouds. This is called our cumulonimbus clouds. Most of the time, if it's not about to rain, you will see some cirrus clouds, which is just some small little wispy clouds in the sky. In the daytime, what you notice is all these clouds reflect a large portion of the sun's energy back to space. So the temperature becomes lower. So what happens is this, in space itself, as the radiation is coming from the sun to the earth, the white color of the clouds itself is perfect for reflecting radiation from the sun itself, and this causes the temperature to drop down. Not only that, the clouds will also absorb some of the long wave radiation that's coming from the bottom. However, what you'll notice is this is completely reversed at night time. If you see there are a lot of clouds in the night, what happens is it will actually absorb more heat radiated from the surface of the earth. It does not allow for the radiation to escape from the earth back into the atmosphere and past it. Hence what happens is during the night time, temperature will become higher. So what does this mean? You can see over here, in the daytime, if you see this large amount of clouds, will it be hot or cold? Okay, you're right. If you see large amounts of clouds during the daytime, it will make it much cooler as the sun itself, the radiation cannot penetrate through all the clouds you see over here. But at night, over here, what you'll notice is the clouds, because of the large amount of clouds in the air, what happens is as the radiation is coming from the earth back into the as the radiation was absorbed by the earth's surface during the daytime, in the nighttime what happens is this radiation will now be re-emitted out as long wave radiation. What happens as it tries to escape past the clouds, it does not allow the clouds do not allow it to do so, and what happens, the heat is trapped within the earth itself, causing the nights to be cooler if you have a large amount of cloud cover. Now, to the next point, what will happen when there is absence of clouds in the sky? In the daytime, what happens is the absence of clouds allow large amounts of sun's energies to reach the surface of the earth, and the earth heats up very quickly. Temperature becomes higher. So if you look up and you do not see any cloud cover, what will happen is most of the radiation from the sun will be directly absorbed by the surface of the earth, and this means the surface of the earth will heat up very quickly. That is why during certain times in Singapore you have temperatures up to 38, 39, or sometimes even up to 40 degrees Celsius, making it very extremely hot in Singapore. However, at night this is the total reverse. Same thing with the presence of clouds. What you notice is this: at night, the absence of clouds allow more heat to escape into space. Temperature becomes cooler in the night time because of the fact that as during the night time there is no radiation from the sun itself. In fact, most of the radiation will come actually from the earth's surface. Over here, this radiation and this, what type of radiation is this? Okay, you're right, this is actually the long wave radiation. So if there are no clouds over here, what will happen is the long wave radiation will escape at the night time, and what will happen is the Earth's surface will cool down very quickly. That is why, if you see in the next slide over here, you see this is desert. In a desert, the temperature range is extremely large because you can see there are no clouds at all in the daytime and nighttime. In fact, it only rains once or twice a year in the desert itself. What you see over here, in the daytime, temperatures can go up to about 40 to even 46 degrees Celsius. That is hot enough if you have a car to cook an egg on top. But in the night time, what will happen, because all the earth radiation will escape with no cloud cover on top, and what will happen, the temperature over here can go up to not minus, but actually up to about 10 degrees Celsius, close to 0 to 10 degrees Celsius. So it makes it very extremely chilly at night. So if you ever want to go to a desert, you have to pack both types of clothes. Cold winter clothes, and also hot summer clothes, perfect for this type of high extreme temperatures. Next part.